Hello dear students, today we will solve exercise 3D. Okay, and in this exercise we will do multiplication by 2-digit or 3-digit numbers. Students, today we are going to study about multiplication by 2-digit or 3-digit number in exercise 3D. Okay, so students, please look at the board carefully and try to understand how we have to solve the multiplication by 2 or 3-digit numbers. Okay, students, here I will explain few examples. Okay, I will explain only few examples, and then remaining examples you have to solve. Okay, so let's solve some examples which I have already written on board. Okay, so see example number 1 of question number A. Okay, in this exercise there are two questions. Question A and question B. Okay, so question A is multiply. Okay, and in question A there are 24 examples. Okay, and out of 24 examples I will explain only 4 examples, that are example number 1, 5, 16 and 23. Okay, so please look at me and look at board carefully and try to understand, because remaining examples you can solve after understanding them. Okay, if you understand these examples you can solve remaining examples. Okay, so see example number 1. In example number 1, 28 multiplied by 12. Okay, example number 1 में 28 को 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Okay, so here you can see multiplication by 2-digit number. Okay, so here we will follow some steps. Okay, here we have to multiply 28 by 12. Okay, but we will not multiply directly 28 by 12. We will multiply by one digit. Okay, it means first of all we will multiply by 28. We will multiply 28 by 2 first. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, 28 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. देन 2 से मल्टीप्लाई होने करने के बाद फिर 28 को हम इस 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जो कि 10 प्लेस में है. इट मींस इसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी फिर 10. ओके, तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, 28 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, एंड देन इसके बाद में नेक्स्ट स्टेप हमारी होगी 28 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. फिर दोनों भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद में जो हमारे टू प्रोडक्ट्स आएंगे, टू पार्शियल प्रोडक्ट्स आएंगे, उनको हम ऐड करेंगे. हाउ, सी फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई 28 by 2. Okay, 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. So 16 6 we will write here and 1 carry in 10s place. Then 2 multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So we will write 5 here. Okay, so multiplication by 2 has completed. Now we will cancel this carry. Then we will multiply 28 by 10. Okay, you can see 1 is in 10's place. So that's why before multiplying by 1, we will give 1 0. Okay, we will give 1 0. For what? Because 1 is in 10's place. That's why we will give here 1 0. Then after giving 0, we can multiply 28 by 1. So 1 8s are 8. We will write here in 10's column. Then 1 multiplied by 2. 1 2s are 2. So here we have multiplied 28 by 2 first and then 28 by 1. Okay, so we got here two partial products. We will add these two partial products. Okay, so 6 plus 0, 6, 5 plus 8, Count 5 fingers after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 3 we will write here and 1 carry in hundreds column. Okay, 1 plus 2, 3. So we got here 336. Okay, so our product, our answer of example number 1 is 336. Understood, students? Then example number 5. 279 multiplied by 36. So here we have to multiply 3-digit number by 2-digit number. 3-digit number को हम 2 digit number से multiply करेंगे. So here first of all we will multiply 279 by 6 first. Okay, सबसे पहले हम 279 को 6 से multiply करेंगे. So 6 9s are 54. So 54 4 we will write here and 5 carry in tens column. Okay, then 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 5. 42 plus 5. 42 plus 5. See, count after 40. 6 7s are 42. Count after 42. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Means 42 plus 5, 47. So write 7 here. 4 carry here. Then 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4, 16. Now here we can write directly 16 because there are no numbers. Okay, in thousands column. So that's why we will write 16 directly. Okay. So multiplied. So here we have multiplied 279 by 6. Now we will multiply 279 by 30. Okay, why? Because 3 is in tens place. So before multiplying we will cancel the carry. Okay, 6 की जो carry लिखी हुई थी हमें उसे erase कर देंगे. Now 279 को हम 30 से multiply करेंगे. Because 3 is in tens place. That's why हम उसे 30 से multiply करते हैं. Okay, करेंगे. So 3 tens place पे है means 3 की वैल्यू क्या है 30. So 30 से multiply करना है हमें. इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे 1 0 दे देंगे पहले बाय बिकॉज़ 3 इज इन टेंस प्लेस. 3 टेंस प्लेस में है और इसलिए हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करने से पहले 1 0 दे देंगे ताकि इसकी भी जो हम आंसर जब लिखें तो हमारे टेंस प्लेस से ही लिखना स्टार्ट हो. इसलिए हम 1 0 दे देंगे. ओके, नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 279 by 3. 3 9s are 27. So 27 का 7 2 क्या है 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2 23. So 3 here 2 carry. Then 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. Now we have multiplied 279 by 3 also. We got here two parts of product. Now we will add 4 plus 0 4. 7 plus 7 14. 14 is 4 here 1 carry. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 3 10. So 10 0 here 1 carry. Now 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 8 10. So we got here 10,044. We got here 10,044. Understood, students? Then see example number 16. 409 multiplied by 112. So here in example number 16 we have to multiply 3-digit number by 3-digit number. ओके, 3-digit नंबर को 3-digit नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे यहाँ पर. तो देखिए सबसे पहले 409 को हम 1 digit से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 409 को हम सबसे पहले 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. ओके, 2 9s are 18. So it is 8 here 1 है. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 1. Then 2 4s are 8. So यहाँ पर 8 लिखेंगे. ओके, तो हमने 409 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है. ओके, देन 409 को अब हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे बिकॉज़ दिस वन इज इन टेंस प्लेस. इसलिए इस वन की वैल्यू क्या होगी 10. ओके, एंड जब हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करने से पहले हम क्या करेंगे टेंस प्लेस के नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने से पहले हम 1 0 दे देंगे. ओके, वी विल गिव 1 0. नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 409 by 1. 1 9s are 9. 1 zeros are 0. 1 4s are 4. Okay, now multiplication by this one is also completed. Now we will multiply 409 by this one which is in hundreds place. It means its value is 100. So before multiplying by 100, we will give two zeros because this one is in hundreds place. That's why we will give two zeros. Now we will multiply. 1 9s are 9, 1 zeros are 0, 1 4s are 4. Here we got 3 partial product because we have multiplied by 3 digit number. जब हम 3 digit number से multiply करते हैं तो हमें 3 partial product मिलते हैं. Now we will add these 3 partial products. Okay, addition. We will use symbol of addition. Now 8 plus 0 plus 0, 8. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. So 10 का 0 यहाँ पर 1 carry here. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. And 9 plus 9, 18. So it is 8 here. 1 carry here. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. Then here only 4. So we will write 4 directly. Okay. So here we got 45,808. The product of example number 16 is 45,808. Understood, students? Then example number 23. Here 400 multiplied by 200. In example number 23, here we have to multiply 3 digit number by 3 digit. And you can see here there are zeros in ones and tens place of both number. Ones and tens place में दोनों भी नंबर में यहाँ पर zeros दिए हुए हैं. But we have to multiply step by step. So what we will do here, we will multiply 400 by 0 first. Okay, and when we multiply by 0 to any number, we get 0 always. Okay, see, 0 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 fours are 0. Okay, multiplication by this 0 which is in ones place has completed. Then we will multiply 400 by this 0 which is in tens, and this number is in tens place. That's why we will give 1 0 of tens place. So tens place का हमें 1 0 यहाँ पर दे देंगे. Now we multiply 0 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 fours are 0. Okay, so multiplication by this 0 which is in tens place has completed. Now we will multiply 400 by 2 which is in hundreds place. अब हम 400 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जो कि 2 hundreds place पे है. It means 2 की वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे 200. So before multiplying by 200 we will give here 2 zeros of hundreds place. Hundreds place के 2 zeros दे देंगे. अब हम डायरेक्टली 400 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, and 2 fours are 8. Now we got here 3 partial product. Now we will add these 3 partial product. We will give here symbol of addition. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. And 8 here. So we got here 80,000. Okay, the product of example number 23 is 80,000. Understood, students? I hope you understood. So students, please write example number 1, 5, 16 and 23 in your book. Okay, so copy them in your book, and you will have understood. Solve remaining examples of क्वेश्चन नंबर ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर ए की जो रिमेनिंग एग्जांपल्स हैं 24 तक वो आपको सॉल्व करने हैं. ओके, नाउ देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर बी आल्सो. Now students, we will solve question number B, and question number B is copy in your notebook and multiply. Students, we have to write question number B in our notebook. Okay, because there is no space to write question number B in the book, so that's why we have to write question number B in notebook. Okay, so students, please take out notebook and first understand, then you have to write this question in your notebook. Okay, so see here, example number 1, 45 by 28. Here we have to multiply 45 by 28. Okay, so we will write this question in notebook. Then our first step will be arrange the numbers in vertical form. Okay, what we will do here, we will write these numbers in vertical form. 45 multiplied by 28. Okay, 45 multiplied by 28. Now we will multiply 45 by 8 first. 8 5s are 40. So 40 is 0 here, 4 carry here. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4, 36. So we will write here 36. Now multiplication by 8 has completed. Then we will multiply 45 by 2. Okay. So 2 5s are 10. Okay. And see, 2 is in tens place. So that's why first of all we will give 1 0 of tens place. सबसे पहले हम tens place का 1 0 दे देंगे. Now we will multiply 2 5s are 10. So 10 0 here, 1 carry here. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Now we will add 0 plus 0 0. 6 plus 0 6. 3 plus 9 12. It means the product is 1260. Okay, then example number 6. Okay, 45 by 125. Here we have to multiply 45 by 125. It means here we have to multiply 2-digit number by 3-digit number. So we will arrange these numbers like this. Okay, now we will multiply 45 by 5 first. Okay, 5 5s are 25. So 25 plus 5, 2 carry. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. So we will write here 22 directly because here are no numbers. Okay, now multiplication by 5 has completed. Now we will multiply 45 by 2, which is in tens place. So before multiplying we will cancel carry. And 2 is in tens place. So that's why we will give 1 0 of tens place. Now 4 5s are, sorry, 2 5s are 10. So 10 0 here, 1 carry. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So multiplication by 2 has also completed. We will cancel this carry. Now we will multiply 45 by 1. And this one is in hundreds place. So that's why we will give 2 zeros of hundreds place. Okay. Now 1 5s are 5. And 1 4s are 4. So here we got 3 partial product. Now we will add them. 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. So 16, 6, 1 carry here. And 1 plus 4, 5. So here we got 5625 as product. Okay, 5625. So understood, students? I hope you understood what I have taught you today. So students, write example number 1 and 6 of question number B in your notebook, and remaining examples of question number B also you have to write and solve in your notebook. Okay students? So I hope you can solve the today's homework, and today's homework is solve the remaining examples of exercise 3D. Exercise 3D के जो क्वेश्चन ए एंड क्वेश्चन बी के जो रिमेनिंग एग्जांपल्स हैं, जो आपको सॉल्व करने के लिए मैंने बोला है, वो आपको एज अ होमवर्क सॉल्व करना है. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, बाय.